There was a young boy named Liang. Liang loved to paint and draw, but his family was very poor and could not afford proper art supplies. Liang had to make do with scarce ink and old worn-out brushes. One day, Liang was playing in the forest when he spotted an ornate calligraphy brush caught in some bushes. He picked it up and rushed home, showing it to his grandfather. His grandfather examined the brush carefully. "This is no ordinary brush," he said. "It may have magical powers. You must use it wisely and for good." Liang prepared to paint with his new brush. As he painted a simple landscape, a crane suddenly flew out of the page. He painted a flower, and it bloomed before his eyes. He painted a bowl of fruit, and real fruit tumbled out. At first, Liang used the brush to help his village. He painted fields of rice and wheat to feed everyone. He painted gold coins to pay the doctor. The village prospered. But soon, Liang started showing off with the brush, painting lavish feasts and fireworks to impress others. His grandfather warned him to use the brush responsibly, but Liang ignored him. One day, Liang painted a ferocious dragon just to prove the brush's power. The dragon emerged from the painting, but Liang couldn't control it. The dragon went on a rampage, setting fires and destroying crops. "I warned you," said his grandfather. "Now you have put the village in danger with your irresponsibility." Liang faced the angry dragon without fear. He painted a canvas of a peaceful pond and coaxed the dragon into it. The dragon shrank back into the painting, and harmony was restored. From that day onward, Liang only used the magic brush for good. He learned that with great power comes even greater responsibility, and the village lived happily ever after. With power comes great responsibility, my friend. Do not take the authority and influence you have been given lightly. Remember that your actions and decisions can have far-reaching consequences, for good or bad. Wield your power judiciously and for the right reasons. Do not abuse it for your own selfish gains or ego. Your power is a privilege, not a right, so exercise it wisely and for the benefit of others. The greater your power, the more careful and considerate you must be. Power and responsibility are two sides of the same coin. You cannot have one without the other. Tell me what you would have drawn if you got the magic paintbrush in the comments. Please like and subscribe.